We have a values-based approach to our research and evaluation work driven by partnership. We've increasingly been working more closely with people with lived experience, and the value they bring to our work is evident. We take a collaborative working approach to all relevant stakeholders, and this includes our funders. We only seek to work on projects where we can see there is a rationale for how the work could help to deliver better lives for people. We seek to help organisations understand not just whether or not something works, but what works, for whom, in what circumstances, and how. We also know there's valuable learning in what doesn't work, and so when outcomes aren't as hoped for, we seek to explore the reasons behind this in order to improve our understanding of the complex issues.
We don't see ourselves as external evaluators tucked away to one side, collecting information, saving it up and writing one big final report. We like to gather learning, share learning as we go through these longer term evaluations so that our clients can reflect on the findings, they can make changes and make adaptations in line with what we're finding in kind of real time. That's really important to us. We want our work to be meaningful, useful, we want it to be applied to the real world out there.
We are experienced in both qualitative and quantitative methods. So qualitative methods such as focus groups, interviews and observations, and quantitative methods such as surveys and questionnaires. We also engage in participatory research and in desk-based research such as documentary analysis.
Since joining NDTi, I have grown my skills and knowledge in research and evaluation. That's both in the approaches that we use that are really varied and some of them very unique to NDTi. It's something I really enjoy about working for the team, but also in the populations of people that we work with. I've done evaluation with older people, with people with mental health conditions, and increasingly with children and young people.
We are very open to new ideas and trying new things, and I just like that the research we do is often around really important questions that really matter to people, so you feel like it does have a tangible impact on people's lives.
For me, it's about the power imbalances, and I really like the fact that in the R&E team we're trying to address some of these power imbalances.
Part of my work at NDTi is doing the research. It's planning all the questions, because we're living with learning disability and autism. So unless you've got the experience of it, you're not going to really know exactly what it feels like or how we see the world, if you would.
We also try to make work engaging and accessible, dynamic. We are listening to people's voices. We are all about equal lives, diversity, everyone counts. It's all about change that leads to better lives.
We work with the National Development Team for Inclusion, the NDTi. Yeah!